Things started to get out of hand. We believed that things with Shiba Inu were mostly settled by now. God, we were incorrect. After reviewing the on-chain data, analysts had nothing else to do except sound the alarm. It's obvious that the situation is wildly unexpected. However, what is really taking place? Okay, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. It's a thrilling day in the world of Shiba Inu today. Unexpectedly, a mystery investor made news when he cashed out with a whopping $3.2 million profit. This corresponds to a remarkable 200% return on their investment within a period of 2.6 years. October 2021 marked this investor's first entry into the Shiba Inu market. They spent over $1.68 million on Coinbase and several decentralized exchanges to purchase an astounding 199 billion Shiba Inu coins. The investor persisted as they had faith in Shiba Inu's potential, despite suffering an early loss of $176,000. The Shiba Inu witnessed a substantial rise in value during the bull market when it was first presented in 2021. Later on, however, the price fell dramatically in line with general market trends. This investor shown a strong conviction in their investing plan by holding onto their Shiba Inu tokens throughout the ups and downs. And as everyone knows, Shiba Inu prices have increased by 165% in the last several months. Things started to become intriguing at this point. The investor was wise to use the opportunity to profit from this rise. The investor made the decision to sell out after suffering through the infamous swings in the cryptocurrency market. They returned their $4.88 million worth of Shiba Inu coins to Coinbase. This decision produced a healthy profit of $3.2 million, a remarkable 191% return on their investment. This person is a perfect example of someone who, in spite of several obstacles, made an early investment in a startup and held onto their tokens. Their perseverance and conviction in the investment's long-term prospects have really paid off. And observers wondered, given the whale's abrupt action, how things stand with Shiba Inu and whales nowadays. Are there any behind-the-scenes activities we need to be aware of? Surprisingly, given the present state of affairs with the whales, this was a really wise decision. Due to considerable whale activity, the cryptocurrency with a dog motif recently saw a whopping 90% increase in big holder inflows. The big holders inflow indicator, which measures the money going into addresses owned by whales or major investors, has increased by 90% in the last day, according to data from Into the Block. More specifically, on May 16, inflows almost quadrupled from $728 billion Shiba Inu on May 15. Large holder inflows have recently spiked, which usually indicates two main possibilities. First of all, it often implies that there is a lot of purchasing activity going on. Purchasing on centralized exchanges is a common practice for whale addresses, and after that transfer their purchases to cold storage. Second, these spikes may be a sign that prices are about to bottom out. Whale addresses often favor buying in large quantities after significant price adjustments. Given that the price of Shiba Inu is battling significant resistance levels, both outcomes seem likely. And that is crucial because since March, whale addresses and Shiba Inu sharks have been gradually adding to their holdings, amassing almost 4.35 trillion Shiba Inu. The balances of addresses holding between 100,000 and 1 million Shiba Inus, as well as those holding at least 1 billion tokens, have climbed dramatically since the last rally started in late February, per further on-chain data from the crypto behavior analytics site Sentiment. Remember that on February 26, amid the meme coin mania, Shiba Inu's price shot up to unexpected heights, marking the beginning of its spectacular climb. Up until March 5, Shiba Inu kept up its run, hitting a 27-month high and a remarkable 373% gain. When the upswing started, the continuous accumulation pattern among Shiba Inu sharks, those possessing 100,000 to 1 million Shiba Inus, was already underway. When Shiba Inu's price began to decline sharply in June 2023, this set of addresses began to accumulate tokens. Taking advantage of the decline, some wallets carried over their purchases into the new year. When Shiba Inus saw a price increase in late February, the purchasing drive picked up even more steam. These addresses have purchased a further 10 billion tokens since March 1st, bringing their total holdings to nearly 100 billion Shiba Inu. The whale talks of having at least 1 billion in the meanwhile. Shiba Inu did not profit from the recession that lasted the whole previous year. But the gathering push for these wallets started in late February, coinciding with significant price increases for Shiba Inu. Anyway, an excellent question comes up when the Shiba Inu sets off on its road to recovery. Why are these whales purchasing Shiba Inus now and making an effort to raise it? As recently as today, well-known expert Davey pointed out that Shiba Inus are an underappreciated treasure that may provide remarkable short and long-term gains. In a recent article on X, Davey articulated this point of view, revisiting his earlier hesitancy to take into account forecast indicators from Shiba Inu's price charts. He said that he often disregarded Shiba Inu. That all changed on Wednesday, however, when he made the decision to examine the Shiba Inu chart pattern and found a bullish configuration that seemed promising. Davey specifically revealed that he saw a bullish pennant on Shiba Inu's chart. That's when it dawned on him that Shiba Inus were a hidden treasure that was waiting to be discovered. Notably, a bullish pennant formation suggests that the price of an asset may continue its upward path. When there is a strong upswing, the price consolidates for a little while before breaking out and continuing its upward path, like a miniature symmetrical triangle. The analysis accompanying graphic shows Shiba Inu's sharp decline since March. The pattern accurately depicts the convergent candlesticks that followed the notable increase in Shiba Inu's price. Furthermore, it implies that Shiba Inu is ready to regain its prior bullish momentum at this time. Still, this clearly positive news is just the beginning. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu development team has said that they should prepare for an exciting metamorphosis. The Shiba Inu community is quite excited about this development, and many are speculating on what this change may include. Here's the big revelation, however. The Shiba Inu ecosystem team has hinted at an intriguing change coming soon to the NFT project from Welly Friends, a long-standing collaborator. This information was disclosed in a recent X post by the team, highlighting the NFT upgrade known as Horizon Expands. The hand-drawn artwork that replaces the previous 3D renderings in this version attempts to revitalize the Welly Friends NFT collection. The Shiba Inu ecosystem team brought up the disclosures made at an X Spaces session by the Welly Friends team in their announcement. Every Welly Friend NFT seems to have been creatively reimagined based on the details. It's noteworthy to note that these NFT collectibles and detailed profile photographs showcasing their distinct personalities and charm will be included in the upcoming development. This is a major divergence from the earlier designs in the series. Apart from the aesthetic enhancement, Welly has added captivating stories and experiences to the NFT collections. To improve their NFT experience, users are invited to explore a creative and narrative-rich digital environment. Shiba Inu claims that the evolution of the Welly Friends line is a reflection of the brand's actual commercial success, especially the expansion of its fast food outlets. Welly wants to show how NFTs can be used for more than just blockchain technology by fusing digital art with real-world commerce. Components. Remarkably, the redesigned collection emphasizes the value of community and shared experiences by appealing to a broad audience that includes tail lovers, artists, and collectors. Shiba Inu's trading volume has surged to $155 million as a result of all this news, a significant figure that amply demonstrates the public's enthusiasm in the project. There is a tangible sense of enthusiasm in the community, and all we need to do now is prepare for what is ahead. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.